Wagwan family, in this video I'm going to share with you how to make this Caribbean style honey butter cornbread. So here I start off with cornmeal, all-purpose flour, sugar, salt, baking powder, cinnamon powder, nutmeg powder. Now I'm going to whisk all the dry ingredients together. So here I'm going to add some eggs. So I crack the eggs and remove the eyes from the eggs because the eyes make the eggs very raw. Now I'm just going to whisk them together. Now I'm going to add some honey. I'm going to list all the ingredients below. Here add some melted butter, some vanilla, coconut milk. Now mix the wet ingredients together. So here I'm going to add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients. Mix just a little bit and then fold it. Now I'm going to grease the baking tray with some melted butter. Pour the ingredients into the tray and to put inside the oven for an hour. So now I'm going to make some honey butter sauce. So first thing, I'm going to melt the butter. After melting the butter, add some honey. All the measurements listed below the video. So check below the video to get all the measurements. After 1 hour, remove the cornbread from the oven. Brush on the honey butter sauce to the cornbread. Allow it to cool down and then cut it. So now it cooled down. So I'm going to cut a slice. Look at this, my people. Look at that. Nice and tasty. My people, please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I have a lot more recipe to share with you.